Determine the volume charge density rho if the electric flux density D is given by D bar is equal to rho Z A Z bar, where Z is less than equal to 1. It is equal to rho Z by Z bar into A Z bar. It is greater than 1. Now solution for this is, we know that volume charge density rho is equal to D dot D bar. So for first case, that is Z less than equal to 1, D bar is equal to rho Z A Z bar, that is equal to dz A Z bar. So delta dot D bar is equal to d by dx of d by dy of dy plus d by dz of dz, that is equal to d by dz of by dz, since dx is equal to dy is equal to 0. Therefore equation becomes d by dz of rho z, that is equal to rho. So volume charge density for Z less than equal to 1 is rho coulomb per meter cube. Next part is for the second condition. So for second condition, for Z greater than 1, D bar is equal to rho Z by Z mod of Z into AZ. The ratio Z by mod of Z is equal to plus minus 1. So D bar is equal to plus minus rho AZ bar, that is equal to dz AZ bar. Therefore volume charge density delta dot D bar is equal to d by dz of plus minus rho, that is equal to 0. Second problem, if D bar is equal to 2y square plus z into ax bar plus 4xy ay bar plus x az bar coulomb per meter square, then find first case volume charge density at 0 0 0. Second condition, flux through the cube defined by x is greater than equal to 0, y z is greater than equal to 1, and third is total charge enclosed by the cube. So first, to find the volume charge, first is to find volume charge density. So what is given? D bar is given, it is 2y square plus z ax bar plus 4xy ay bar plus x az bar. So it is equal to dx ax bar plus dy ay bar plus dz az bar. Now comparing, here we are comparing dx is equal to 2y square plus z, dy is equal to 4xy, and dz is equal to x. We are comparing about equations. So we have rho v is equal to delta dot d bar, so it is d dx by dx d dy by dy plus d dz by dz. Now we substitute values of this dx, dy and dz. D by dx of 2y square plus z, d by dy of 4xy, and d by dz of x. So it is 0 plus 4x plus 0, so its value is 4x. Therefore rho v is equal to 4x. So rho v at point 0 0 0, it is 4 into 0, so it is 0 coulomb per meter cube. Second part is to find flux through the cube, to find flux through cube. So from Gauss's law, we write here, from Gauss's law, the electric flux is, it is equal to rho v dv. It is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and 0 to 1. So it is 4x into dx, dy and dz. So this equation becomes 4 into x square by 2, 0 to 1, y 0 to 1, and z 0 to 1. So it is 2 coulomb. And the last one is to find total charge enclosed. So it is given by the formula according to Gauss's law, to total charge enclosed is equal to total flux. So it is equal to 2 coulomb. Next problem, given that d bar is equal to zr cos square phi az bar coulomb per meter square, then calculate charge density at 1, pi by 4, 3, and total charge enclosed by the cylinder of radius 1 meter with z is in between 2 to -2 meter. So first we write that given equation is d bar is equal to zr cos square phi az bar is equal to dz into az bar. So the charge density is given by rho v is equal to delta dot d bar. So it is 1 by r d by dr of r dr plus 1 by r d by d phi of d phi plus d by dz of dz. This is in cylindrical form. That is equal to d by dz of dz, since dr is equal to d phi is equal to 0. So it is d by dz of zr cos square phi, that is equal to r cos square phi. Now so rho v at point 1, pi by 4, and 3, it is 1 into cos square pi by 4, that is equal to 0.5 coulomb per meter square. Next is total charge enclosed by cylinder is Q enclosed, that is equal to integration rho v dv, it is integration -2 to 2 integration 0 to 2 pi integration 0 to 1 r cos square phi r dr d phi dz. Now we substitute the values r cube by 3, 0 to 1, z -2 to 2, 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos 2 phi by 2 into d phi. So the values are 1 by 3 into 4 into 1 by 2 into 5 plus sine 2 phi by 2. So it is 0 to 2 pi. So it is 1 by 3 into 4 into pi, that is equal to 4 pi by 3 coulomb.